Hi everybody, Grady with MAXCases. We got a request for an Explorer bag, but they said, hey, it's a little too expensive. Can I get something that's at a lower value? And so we came up with what we called the Explorer Bag Slim. So it's basically, if you've seen our Explorer bag, which is a really full-featured work-in bag, it's an always-in bag. This is essentially the same thing, just scaled down a bit. Not quite as much protection overall, but still a quality product. And so this is the Explorer Bag Slim. So again, it's designed to be a work-in bag, which means a device is going to go into the bag and stay in the bag. It doesn't come in and out. It's not like a sleeve or a backpack or something where you put it in, you travel, and you take your machine back out. Our full-feature EB5, Explorer Bag 5, we have a couple tethers here that actually are really secure the screen side in place. We have a middle strap here. Again, we call this a seat belt. It's a kind of a third layer of securing the device into the bag. And then we have two additional straps here that are on the keyboard side that are there and really hold the bag in. One thing we did here, we do have a pocket on the front. It's a pretty simple pocket. The idea behind this is that a student can be working during class, bell rings, they're going off to their next class. They just close the bag, which in turn closes the device. They grab it, take it with them, and away they go. They might not even zip it up. They get to the next class, throw it down, open the bag, it's gonna open the device at the same time. It's an always in. We're not gonna take the device out. It stays in all the time. It's not going anywhere. It just stays in all the time. And then lastly, on the bottom, there's two features on the bottom. We have the ID pocket, which is to identify, organize the machines, potentially a numbering system, hopefully a student's name or ID. We can put that here in the ID pocket, transparent ID pocket. And then the strip you see here really was designed to, it's a tactile material and really designed to, when we have this on a desk, that we're not gonna have a ton of slippage. If that wasn't there, you know, we definitely would have more sliding. But with this piece on the bottom, when we go to work on the machine, we're not having that sliding. Here's the install, super simple. We're gonna lay the bag flat like this, open the device. We're gonna slide the screen side underneath to the hinge, like that. We're gonna take the bottom here, put the keyboard side straps over the corners, here and here. And then on the top version, on the top side, we're gonna go ahead and tuck in these corner straps here. Any questions, comments, feedback, we'd love to hear from you. MAXCases.com, look for us on YouTube, look for us on social media, MAXCases.com. Again, I'm Grady and MAXCases, and I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. Have a great one.